Hello, it's Anne from Dunkerque. I want to tell you about my pets. I love dogs, but they need too much disponibility. I can't give them. So I prefer having cats. They are more independent. I have three cats, Anis, Gaspar, and Happy. But since the 20th of June 2020, two new pets have been in my little garden, two magnificent hens. Why having chickens? This idea came on my mind last year. In the same time, I feel more and more concerned with environment and my way of consuming. I would like to eat local and organic products. I dislike going to supermarket despite I'm used to doing it every week, but I try to grow my parsley and my basil in my garden. It's the same idea for eggs. Big eggs made in my garden would be more delicious than those sold in supermarkets. So, in order to have good eggs, I need to have my own hens. I read some books about how to have chickens when you are not a farmer and when you live in a city, and it's possible. Once I decided to have hens, I had to choose which breed of chickens I had to buy. To I had to boot. No, I had to buy. I didn't know that there were so many breeds of chickens in the world. The more usual is the roussette. In English, I think it's translated by dogfish. It's a little red hen which makes lot of eggs. But I have discovered that they are overrated, that there are other hens. In Dunkerque, there is a local chicken named the hen from Bourbourg. This breed was very popular before the Second World War, but no, in 1947, with the Marshall Plan, the Americans also brought the dogfish all over France, even in Dunkerque. Today, there are some activist farmers in Flanders who try to rehabilitate the local animal. It's a way to resist against the American hegemony, even in our eggs. Chickens from Bourbourg are white and quite pretty, according to me. It's possible to have only one chicken, but this poultry prefers to be with a friend. So in November 2019, I ordered two chickens from an ecological farm. During the lockdown, we booked a chicken coop and we prepared their, their, uh, their space to live in the garden. So the last week, I received my two chickens. They have 4 months old. I gave them a first name, Shannon and Vicky, in reference to the singer Shannon Wright and a song by Bertrand Belin. I never had ants before, and I'm not sure I had even seen them so close. I took one in my hand. I think she was as scared as me. We have surrounded the enclosure with chicken coop nets, but we haven't dug to the roof. The first night, around 10 o'clock, I went to the garden to see if they were sleeping well, but I found nobody in the chicken coop. And I heard cut, cut, cut. The sound came from the neighbor's garden. I was in my pyjama. What to do? With a ladder, my husband crossed the separation hedge to try to catch the hens. I phoned to my neighbors to tell them the situation, because it's not ordinary to see a man in the night chasing chickens in the garden. 1 hour after, my husband succeeded to catch them. It was quite difficult. The hens were very afraid, as we were. And this night I discovered that hens could fly. It's possible to cut their wings, but I prefer somebody else do this. So we have booked a new net as a roof to prevent this situation from happening again. I was also a little afraid about relationships between cats and hens. I read that it would be not a problem, but I wasn't sure of that. Indeed, the 3 cats were very intrigued by hens. They used to watching them during hours, but they are not aggressive at all. I often open the door of the chicken coop, and Vicky and Shannon likes. Sorry, donc Vicky and Shannon like eating the grass in the garden, and cats are watching them, but they are not aggressive at all. And hens are completely indifferent with cats. At the end of the day, when I come back from work, I like to sit in a garden and watching my cats and chickens living in peace in my garden. It's very relaxing. Now I can distinguish Shannon and Vicky. Shannon is more fearless and she goes ahead. Vicky is always behind her. She's more timid, but Vicky likes to fly, and I have to watch more. And now I'm waiting for my eggs. I'm going to try to show you these hens. It's not easy with this camera. They are in the garden. Oh, I don't know. I had. Oh, no. You can hear them. I don't see with the sun. It's too sunny. Shannon, can you say the word to the camera? Oh, you can't. I don't think you. Ah, voilà. Shannon and Vicky. And my cat, Gaspar, is looking at them as everywhere. Thank you very much. Bye bye.